Imagine charging your electric vehicle without plugging in. Just park it and power up. Welcome to the future of EV charging, wireless EV charging. As India races toward electric mobility, this cutting-edge, contactless tech is emerging as the next big thing. It's not just innovative, it's also incredibly profitable. Whether you're a clean tech entrepreneur, an auto tech innovator, or just someone eyeing a future-proof business opportunity, this video is your step-by-step guide to launching a wireless EV charging business in India. And here's the exciting part. Early movers in this space can become market leaders of tomorrow. In this video, you'll learn who your target audience is, what the market trends and size look like, marketing and sales strategies to scale, financial planning with costs and profit margins, how to fund your business legal and documentation checklist, and how Market Research Universe can guide you throughout. So stay tuned, your clean tech journey might just start right here. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. So, let's begin with, who is this business really for? Well, it's for EV manufacturers who are looking to offer wireless-ready vehicles. It's also for fleet operators like cab services and those big delivery giants. Builders of smart residential and commercial properties, you're definitely in the mix. Housing societies and gated communities, yep, you too. Municipal corporations and smart city planners, you're on the list. And of course, tech-savvy EV owners who want the latest in charging technology. Honestly, the B2B and B2G market potential here is just massive, and it's only just beginning. Here's where it gets, really exciting. In 2024, the wireless EV charging market in India was valued at about $1,281 million, and it's growing at a staggering CAGR of 50%. That's right, 50%. So what's driving this kind of growth? Rapid EV adoption in metro and Tier 2 cities, FAME 2 and state EV policies, rising demand for contactless smart infrastructure, and pilots by OEMs and smart city initiatives. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution that's scaling up fast. So, how do you attract your first clients? Well, you collaborate with EV makers and real estate developers. You offer demos at tech parks, EV expos, and premium societies. You market through LinkedIn, YouTube explainers, and influencers. And you educate people via webinars and smart installation case studies. Now, how will you make money? By selling hardware and installing systems, offering annual maintenance contracts, providing charging as a service for commercial spaces, and even monetizing data for energy companies and smart grid planners. You're not just selling a product, you're actually creating a smart charging ecosystem. Okay, let's talk about money for a bit. For this startup, you're looking at an investment range of about 1.2 to 1.6 crore rupees. Here's a quick cost breakdown. Research and development plus prototyping will set you back around 20 to 40 lakh. Charging units and hardware for about 10 to 20 units will be 50 to 70 lakh. Marketing, app backend, and branding, that's another 10 to 15 lakh. And for legal stuff and documentation, you'll need about 2 to 5 lakh. Now, what about the returns? Well, hardware gross margins are in the 30 to 40% range, and services like annual maintenance contracts can offer margins up to 60%. You can expect to break even within 2.5 to 3 years. With the right targeting, this business can really scale up quickly. So, let's explore your funding sources. You can tap into FAME 2 subsidies and state EV infrastructure grants, or reach out to clean tech-focused VCs and angel networks. There are also startup incubators and innovation labs to consider. And you might want to look at NBFCs or green project loans that offer low interest rates. To attract investment, you'll definitely need a strong business plan, financial projections that focus on ROI, and a solid product-market fit strategy. Having pitch-ready documentation can help you secure seed or Series A funding a lot faster. To legally operate, you'll want to follow a few key steps. First, register your company. A private limited or LLP is usually recommended. Then, complete your PAN, GST, and UDIAM registrations. Make sure your hardware gets BIS certification and always adhere to Central Electricity Authority and safety norms. You should also prepare important documents like tech specs and user manuals, your project report and pitch deck, IP or patent filings if they apply, and site installation approvals and licenses. Laying this legal groundwork really helps boost investor confidence and ensures you're all set for regulatory clearance. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry. Market Research Universe, or MRU, is here to help. At MRU, we assist startups like yours with real-time market research reports, market feasibility reports, business plans, customized go-to-market strategies, competitive landscape and pricing intelligence, forecast models and investment benchmarks, investor-ready pitch decks, and even business registration. From idea validation to fundraising, MRU is your end-to-end partner.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.